Want to unlock your Galaxy S25 Ultra just by touching the screen? Here's how you can add your fingerprint and make unlocking your phone quicker and more secure. You can access the fingerprint setup from two different menus, from the lock screen and AOD menu and from the security and privacy menu. As the example, this time we will add a fingerprint from the lock screen and AOD menu. To do so, head into setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap screen lock and biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under biometric section, tap fingerprints. Tap continue. Then tap register. Press your finger you like to register inside the circle and leave it when asked. Then repeat until the process is complete. When it's done, tap done. To see how it works, go to the lock screen. Press your finger that you registered before on the fingerprint scanner to easily unlock your phone. And that's it. Now you've got a fast and secure way to unlock your Galaxy S25 Ultra using just your finger. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.